Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. How are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I am also. Dear student, now we are passing a very pandemic situation. The situation is very painful to us, as the whole world is infected a virus called coronavirus or COVID-19. Dear student, while schools are closed now this time, so we have to avoid transmission from this deadly virus. That's why our government has taken to step a online class. Dear student, let's begin our class. Then we will discuss completing sentence. Completing sentence. COMPLETING. Completing sentence. 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 Rule number one. If that means we call it conditional sentence. Conditional sentence. SENTENCE. Conditional sentence. Dear student, firstly I will write some structure and you have to follow this. Number 1, if plus present, present, plus present, present. Number 2, if plus present, present, plus future. Number 3, if plus past plus subject should plus would plus could might plus V1. Number 4, if plus past perfect plus perfect, PERFECT, plus subject should have, could, might, verb 3 plus object. Dear student, you follow the structure. If you do not remember it, you cannot complete the sentence. So you have to remember it. Dear student, according to the structure, I will give example. Example number 1. If you read more, Dear student, this is this is conditional sentence and this is past clause. So you have to complete this according to the structure. Second clause. If you read more, you learn, L-E-A-R-N, learn. L-E-A-R-N, learn more. More. Dear student, this conditional sentence first clause is present tense, present simple tense, and another clause present simple tense. Here if plus present, and thereby I already written here if you read more, and second clause we have already complete, you learn more. Number 2, if you task me. Dear student, we will complete this sentence by subject, verb and future. If you task me, I will task you. Dear student, you follow the 2-number structure, if plus present plus future. If you task me, and second clause already you have to complete subject, model subject, helping verb will, shall, and verb and object. This is subject, helping verb, verb 1, object. Dear student, we come back the rule number 1. If you read more, you learn more. Here is question. If this sentence is indicate a material, so you have to complete this sentence a present indefinites, by present indefinites. Dear student, number 3. If you can, the answer will be I would go with you. Dear student, you follow the number structure 3. You follow the rule number 3. A plus past plus subject, should, would, could, might plus verb 1. There you see subject, would, verb 1 plus object. That means you have to remember it. If you remember it, the structure you will be complete. You complete this sentence. Dear student, number 4. If you had come. If you had come. This sentence is past perfect tense. Subject, had, verb 3. We will be complete this sentence by if you had come. I would have gone with you. If the sentence is if subject, that means present past perfect tense, then we will be complete this sentence. Subject would have verb 3 with object. By this way we can complete this sentence, dear student. Rule number 2. Dear student, we will discuss now rule number 2. Rule number 2. If the sentence is if the sentence is the include of word no snark dot dot, then, dear student, rule number 2, no snark dot dot, then. For example, no snark had we reached the station, then we will be correct this sentence by this, complete this sentence by this way. Then the train left. By this way we complete this sentence, dear student. So you have to follow these rules, dear student. If you remember this structure, then we will be complete this sentence easily. So you have to remember this structure, dear student. I will give you some homework, dear student. I will give you some homework, and you have to take note down. Number 1, if you love me. Number 2, if you came here. Number 3, if you had finished your work. Number 4, no snark had I reached the school. The school. Dear student, I hope that already you should take down and note down. Dear student, before my finishing class, I will give you some tips. Dear student, this time is very painful to us, so you have to maintain social distance, and you you have to wash your hand again and again with hand sanitizer. Then you will be okay. Already our class is finishing. That is all for the time being. Allah Hafiz.